Hello web song by Tomai Ganong Bagai Tini Tekisa ko boro explain video tu hega Gamohgai Maharaja Bikram college ni notice sport round ni saka sisak tongona ji government of Tripura Maharaja Bikram college Agartala Tripura ei omo pori short kheno explain khairnai sakani notice ni tolani tamtamo abo short kheno sawiri nai ang sisak tongo the personal out student of high secondary mane je 12 final pass ngai je college o kana hanai mane kawi admission na hanai wansuk tongnai rok omo video bongni bagai genrok ni ta to spon round admission genrok 12 final to pass ngka pass ngai tabung norok admission nangani BA BSc BCom major subject na hoi norok exam marinai sorry exam ya norok o BA BSc BCom major mana naita norok je college pon joto no adino je first round second round final rogbo norok ni bounty haino kakle jaja khana hanai video no buji khana hanai aboni pore jeng box bisingo tamsi jak lina phati gor se tongo box bisingni 1 number o submission of hard copy of the form bracket o sijak tongo necessary 1 2 the college abo hingkai 15 tarik 2024 and 16 tarik 2024 time hingkai 11 am ni simung 3 pm jora date of publication of merit list of select student bracket o tongo college website and notice board garo tongo mo saka date of publication mare mo merit list second phainai abo hingkai norok college ni website o thangoi naimane yakhe notice board o phano naimanai abo hingkai 17 tarik 2024 ni sibung everything or 18 tarik 2024 morning o 17 tarik 2024 evening hingkai tarpore aboni 3 no 18 tarik 2024 morning o naimanai norok sijak tongo sport round admission according to merit list physical admission in college with organized testimonials abo hingkai 18 tarik 2024 and 19 tarik 2024 time 11 am to 3 pm jora sport round admission a dino khai admission 18 tarik 2024 ni simung khai narokni sport round admission hingkai 15 tarik 2024 tei 16 tarik 2024 abo hingkai norokni sport round admission ni norokni kagoj rok joma ri de afuru hingkai tamo nang abo chung salaiya teisa from sport round admission ni from Maharaja Bikram college ni hingkai saka o sakani box o sijak tongo online application number of MBB college online application ni number cd o saka o hingkai aboni pore khai tei roman 2 tongo name of the application in capital letters je admission nungnani mung capital letter by cd fathers ni mung bo in capital letter date of birth ration card caste mane URSTSC gender male and female PWD yes no PWD certificate phone number email ID capital email capital ID capital ID bemang capital letter baita capital letter by se nangnai high secondary plus passing year mane high secondary ni passing year ni year ta hingkai tongo high secondary plus 2 total mark in best 5 subject in high secondary ni bo mark bisi gobang 5 ta subject ni mane 12 final ni 5 ta subject ni bisingo bo mark bisi gobang abono ready apply for major in subject apply major subject abono ready je mark gobang no nung je oro bo mark of major in high secondary mane major subject ni je main subject abo ready o high secondary ni abo measure of the application date cd nung busuk date o rinai abo date cd ta box select tongo application number ngati tongo tekisa box tongo name of the application tekisa tongo tolao receipt by or date cd or no admission form fill up kha apni date ang kha khlai jotono video sajak kana hanai mo hai video nai tona channel subscribe khadi next video mal nai jotono ham